So the story on this one is his dog got sick and pooped on the dashboard and in the front seat. But yeah, he's bringing it in for a full interior and body fluid disinfectant, ozone treatment, pet hair removal, yeah, and a wash on a Cybertruck. As you can see, it's going to be quite a project. Quite a project.
My name is Ryan. This is my Cybertruck. I would say my dog, Boss, he's a French Bulldog. So what he did is he had chronic diarrhea. He had feces all over this seat right here, all over this seat, and all over the dashboard. And he had some on the mats. He had some everywhere, behind the screen, on the white interior. He had it everywhere. And if you bring your car to XLNC Beauty, they're gonna eliminate all that. I'm talking about the car smells brand new. The car feels like I just got it from Tesla. Just picked it up from the dealership. It looks immaculate in here. It smells immaculate. It's amazing. Come to XLNC Auto Beauty. That's your place to go.
It was throw off all of it. Look how it look now. It just look beautiful. You feel me? The quality, the time they took, you feel me? You know these men about their business, man. So y'all come tap in with XLNC Auto Beauty. You feel me? Come tap in with my guy. What's your name again, G?
Mike.
Mike. Come tap in with Mike. He gonna get you right, and you gonna live life. You feel me? Get you right, live life. Look at that. That's beauty. You feel me? I mean, throw up shit all in the core. That shit gone. So come tap in with my man.
It looks immaculate.
You feel me? Look, he just got, you feel me?
It looks brand new.
Brand new. Got the customer happy as hell.
I picked it up from Tesla.
Can have a bad bitch in the car now. You feel me? You can't have that with the Frenchy shit. So man, come fuck with Auto Beauty, man. On my mama. Come fuck with him. XLNC Auto Beauty, huh? Get your rhythm, yeah, nigga, yeah. Auto Beauty, huh? XLNC Auto Beauty, yeah, with the
XLNC Auto Beauty.